Hey Armcandy gang, welcome back. I've got a gorgeous Mulberry small Darley for you today in gorgeous black leather, gold hardware, absolutely beautiful, and it is in excellent condition throughout, as in pristine, perfect, excellent, just a gorgeous, gorgeous little bag. It comes with loads of stuff. I'll show you that in a second. So it's got the long chain strap, which is removable, so you can have it as a little clutch. On the back, one zipped pocket, like so, and it's got the little pouchy bit on this side, so it means that you can really use it for something it's quite a useful pocket. You can actually fit something in it. And then, of course, the flap closure with the postman's lock fasten. Open that, and first of all, you've got a little flap, well, a good sized flap pocket there. And then in the main section of the bag, there's 8 card slots. And then you've got a zipped section here, and then the front pocket. Come in so you can see the Mulberry. And the zip, oh, I love these little details. I love these little things, as you know. It's got Mulberry, I don't think it will, might show up. Oh, it is a little bit. So Mulberry on the zip. What I love about it is it just tucks in neatly, and it's got a really satisfying little, can you hear that? Little movement. So it means that it's tucked neatly away for when you close it, and it's not sticking out, looking unsightly. Although, let's be honest, it's so adorable, have it unsightly. So what does it come with? It comes with the Mulberry dust bag. It comes with the receipt from February 2021, so it's quite new, and we've got a little Mulberry sleeve envelope, and inside we've got the product tag and the little care booklet. It's also got some Mulberry tissue paper inside. I'm going to come back and put it on so you get an idea of the size. Exact measurements are on the website. This is just to give you an idea. I am 5'4" and I'm a UK size 10. Okay, and if you were to have it at the shoulder, and of course we said you can take that strap off and just have it as a little clutch bag. As I said earlier, the condition is absolutely excellent. It is excellent exterior, excellent interior, and excellent hardware. It is just gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful bag. So, as always, there is a link to this on the website in the comments below, but as always, before you go, remember to like the video and hit the bell. Then when you've done that, go to my comments below this video. There's a link that takes you straight there. And then whilst on the website, you can have a look at all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses and wallets. And for your welcome discount code, sign up to the newsletter. It'll take you about 15 seconds to do. You scroll to the bottom of any page on the website, there's a little box, pop your email address in there, and then we will immediately send you your discount code. And it is immediate, so if you don't get it within 60 seconds, check your spam folder. It's probably gone in there. But then you can literally enter that discount code at the checkout to get 5% off your first purchase with Armcandy. I think that's everything. So link in the comments, like and hit the bell, and we'll see you here later for the next piece of Armcandy.